Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So in today's video is going to be a little different from the other videos on my channel. You guys are used to me doing natural hairstyles or little styles with, you know, little extensions added to my hair. But this video, I am going to put on a U-PART wig. No, I never wore a wig before, let alone a U-PART wig. So this should be interesting, guys. I never thought I would ever wear a wig, but you know, I like to try new things, and every time I try a new hairstyle, I always share it with you guys. So stay tuned for this interesting look that I'm about to do. But before I get into that, I do want to let you guys know where I got it from. I got it from the beauty supply store. It was for $29.99 with tax, so about $30-something. Affordable, right? And it actually feels really soft. So this is what I have. Freetress equal over part wig. And if you guys stay tuned, you'll see exactly how the hair looks and exactly how it looks on me. So let's get into this look, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to blow dry my hair out a little bit because I noticed when I tried to comb through it, it wasn't that easy. So hopefully when I blow dry it and then when it's time to straighten it, I won't have to straighten it as much. Like I said, less heat as possible. But with that wig, you do have to have a little straightness going on. So the best parter, so just bear with me. I know a lot of this I'm gonna have to fast forward because, like I said, not the best parter at all. So as you can see, guys, I'm just going to part out some of the hair on the sides just to create a more natural look. And when I say that, because when it's time to place the wig, it'll give a more natural look, and that's the look that I'm going for because I don't want it to look like I have a wig on. That's the goal. Okay, guys, so you know that I am not the best braider. Well, you would know that if you do keep up with my videos. I am not the best braider. So usually when people do wigs, they put braids or etc. And what I'm going to do is improv. So I'm going to do flat twist and then braid at the end so that it will stay. I think that'll work. But let's see. Stay tuned. Braiding it just so that, you know, the hair can stay secure and tight, because usually you know, when you do twists, it will bulk up and get a little bigger. So I figured since I can't braid, like I said, I'll improv, flat twist, and then working my way down, I'll start to braid my hair. If you want a hairstyle that you can't do, improv. Okay, so it's not the best or the greatest, but this will have to do for now, guys. Y'all, so you would think by now I would know how to braid my hair. As many times I plan my hair, I do first attempts with my hair, you would think by now I would know how to braid. But no, like I said, what I had to do to get this style going is to flat twist my hair to the scalp and then start braiding. But that didn't even work out. Like, it looks like I did flat twist my hair, and then 3 weeks later, this. You know how, like, when you get braids and then after a while it gets frizzy? That's what it looks like. So, peep. Look at this. It looks a mess. This looks a mess. A hot-ass mess. I know I'm not supposed to keep straightening my hair, but for this hairstyle and this wig, it has to be, okay? any pieces sticking up. I don't straighten my hair that often, so I'm not worried about it, if that makes sense. So just a little, you know, touch up. Nothing too much. Just the little edges. Actually really soft, softer than I thought it would be, because you know this is synthetic hair, so it looks really good. Usually synthetic hair to me feels a little hard, but this is how it's going to work. You have these little clips that you clip onto your hair. Well, I don't have braids, but that's what people will usually do, is clip it onto their braids. And then there's some here. Well, I put these here last time when I was trying it on, so let me take that off. Okay, so the results. Okay, hopefully my hair is flat. Because last time, y'all, I was having problems. So this is the reason in this moment of time I wish I knew how to braid, because as you can see, the top of the hair is a little loose where the clips are supposed to be secure on your hair. But if I knew how to braid, the clips would have been secure and it wouldn't have this problem where it's a little loose. But if you look a little closer, you can see where the clips are attached to my hair, it's a little loose. And I don't care for that, but it's okay. It is okay. Thinking like, okay, she straightened her hair too much. Her last video and her video before that, she straightened her hair, blah, blah, blah. But I really do not straighten my hair that much. And this is going to be my last time straightening, I promise. It's just these type of styles does require your hair to be laid. And with this wig, my hair is going to be laid. I don't care what nobody say. It's going to be slayed and laid. Don't worry about it. I promise you, after this, I won't straighten my hair. It's just certain styles require, like I said, to have your hair straightened. And after this, I won't. I just need a little slay for a second. Promise. I'm short, guys, so I don't even know how long this. Look for this hairstyle. Like I said, this is my first time ever wearing a wig, let alone a U-part, and I actually love how everything came out. I was a little skeptical because I do see people wear wigs and they have like that bulky part at the top and in the middle, but actually came out pretty cute. Let's get into this look, guys. Yes. And I'm not sure how long this hair is, but it is pretty long because I'm short and it's like down here. That's why I have my back out so you guys can see. So look. It's pretty long. But I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.